Is it in focus? Bring it closer to my face. Okay, that's it. Well, today we're gonna be going over the Diamond Bomb Diamond Veil. This actual product was inspired by the Kiss It Better video, where I had a lot of shimmer over my body and a lot of Vaseline on top of it just to create this look. And I just was really like wishing that I had a product that could just do this in one take. And we created this really special formula. It's really solid, but it also feels like there's a bit of liquid, a bit of like a smooth, creamy undertone with all the shimmer on the top. So I'm gonna show you guys the payoff on my face and a little bit of my body. The packaging was really inspired by my CFDA fashion icon look. If you remember that outfit, then you can see the similarities between this packaging and that dress. I just want to show you guys. It feels so good. You can really do a lot of steps with this product. Usually you do a little precision and you blend out a little bit. I'm gonna start from the outside in with this one because it's so flexible. So I'm gonna take this really big KABUKI face and body brush. It's really, really flexible, and it's also really important. Every product that this brush was designed for really needs it. It makes such a difference when you're applying the product with this brush, as you've seen before with the Body Lava, and as you'll see with this Diamond Bomb. And of course, I love the texture because it's such a unique formula. It's like a jelly powder formula, and it moves around like it's liquid, but it still has this really firm, solid powder formula to it with an incredible payoff. So now that we're done that step, you can use this highlight brush, which I like to call also my shark tooth brush, and go into the Diamond Bomb a little bit, just with the very tip. Swirl, 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 because there's never enough. And we can go into the eyelid. I also like to use this brush on the nose bridge. You can go in a little bit and define right here. And right here. The inner corners of your eyes. And after that, it's fair game. You can go all around your face. This is the Kiss It Better effect. Final touches, final touches, final touches. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. This is the end result of me playing with my Diamond Bomb. I just want you guys to have fun with it.